Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I'm doing a get ready with me. Today I'm going to the fair. First, I'm gonna take a shower, of course, but yeah, I'm just gonna finish my little wash day today on camera, and I'm just gonna try to attempt to do a fall type look with my makeup. So yeah, basically now I'm just gonna take a shower, so I'll see you guys when I get a shower so I can do my hair and makeup. Okay, so I'm back from out of the shower, and now I'm just gonna finish my skincare routine. If you haven't seen my skincare routine video, then I'll put it up in the card above. I'm gonna just let this sit on my face for a little bit. I think I'm gonna wear this olive green shirt from Aeropostale. It's a v-neck spaghetti strap shirt, and my hanger is broken. And then I'll wear these shorts. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And probably my checkerboard Vans. So yeah, onto the hair. I did a hot oil treatment last night, and I washed my hair and deep conditioned all that last night and everything. And then I just put my hair in four sections, and I just twisted them up, and I used this leave-in conditioner to keep it moisturized overnight because my hair was really dry. So that's really the main reason why I did my oil treatment. But now I'm just gonna take it on loose and start off with one section. Spread some water first on my hair just to add the moisture back into it. I'm gonna just use this Aeropostale argan oil gel to just add some definition to my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. And basically that's just how I'm gonna do the rest of my head. So I'm probably just put this in the time lapse.
I'm the swami, I feel hip cat, I'm freaky fit that I can rip that ice on a wrist like ice a fish jet. When I like with a bitch that's spicy, get that. I got racks.
So now that my hair is finished, I'm just gonna let it dry. But while it's drying, I'm just gonna kind of wrap it up a little bit and start on my makeup. I already moisturized, so I'm starting by using my e.l.f. primer, and this is the hydrating face primer. Just let that primer sit on my face while I do my brows really quick.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah, she said I need a new.
Okay, so I'm finishing my brows, and they're still ugly. But yeah, I'm just gonna carve them out with this e.l.f. concealer, and it's in the shade Light. So I'm gonna just take my wipe and just kind of swipe over the top of my brows, just to kind of clean them up at the top a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start off with my foundation, and this is just the Maybelline Fit Me 335 Classic Tan, and put it on my hand, and just, oh, that's a lot. So I just took some on my hands, and now I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and just kind of blend everything in together. So onto concealer, I'm gonna go back in the e.l.f. concealer, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Now I'm just gonna take this Airspun loose face powder, and I'm just gonna set that under my eyes and wherever else I put concealer at. I really don't put a lot of this because I don't want to look like a ghost or whatever. So onto the eyes, I always use this little palette I got for Christmas or my birthday, one of them. But anyway, my best friend got me this Ulta Beauty Just Face It palette, and it's kind of dirty because it's a little old and I haven't really got another palette. So I'm just gonna take my new brushes that my grandma got me from Mary Kay. So Since I already basically primed my eyes with a foundation, I'm just gonna use this basically eye color brush, and I'm gonna use this light brown shade up here. Sorry, my palette is really dirty and they don't even have any names for it, but I'm just gonna use this light brown shade in my crease, and I'm just gonna take this darker type color right here. It looks like an orange to me, but these two colors, I'm gonna mix them up together and put this on top, and I just use that light brown shade as a transition shade kind of. If I get this wrong, like whatever the terms and stuff, don't judge me because I really don't know anything about makeup, but I'm just gonna create a little eye look for you guys that's kind of like fall type ish. I'm gonna take this it's called an eye blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend those two colors in a little bit better so it won't look like it's just messed up. I'm gonna take this flat type brush, and I got this from off of Romwe. Whatever I have left of this golden color right here and this shimmer pink, and mix those two together and put that on my lid, and hopefully that looks pretty decent. I don't do eyeliner because I literally almost poked my eye out trying to apply it, so yeah, eyeliner is not really the go for me. And lashes, I really haven't mastered the lashes, so I'm not really gonna even try to put on lashes now. So once I get better, that's when you guys can see me put on lashes, but as of now, I'm not putting on any lashes. So now that I'm finished with my eyes, I'm just gonna apply some mascara. This is the 24 Hour Super Speed Volume Lash by Rimmel London, and it's time for me to upgrade. I'm just going to wipe away the excess powder. I got this brush from Romwe as well, if you guys wanted to know. If you didn't want to know, oh well, I just told you. So now I'm going to take this kind of contoured brush, and this came with the set too from Romwe, and it's straight, I guess. I don't really, you know or whatever. So I use the CoverGirl pressed powder, and honestly this is the first thing that I've ever gotten when I first started being interested in makeup, and it's in the shade 155, and it's Fauve. I really don't know, it's kind of old, but I'm just gonna use this to kind of bronze up my face a little bit. Take that foundation brush and just blend that in. So for highlights, I'm gonna just use this glittery eyeshadow palette, my old eyeshadow palette, and I use it as a highlight because it really, to me personally, it works better as a highlight than an eyeshadow. I just really don't like blush at all, so I just use highlight. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Now I'm gonna use my clear lip gloss and put that all over my lip, and basically I'm done with my makeup. Okay, so now that I'm done with my makeup, back to my hair. My hair is more dry at the bottom than the top, so I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry my hair. I'll come back to you guys when I'm like fully like ready. So okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like, and basically it looks pretty good for my first day hair, and that's really why I love using the Eco Styler gel for my wash and goes, because they leave my hair looking really defined and really shiny. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It's my first time doing an actual full face on myself, and for me to be a beginner or whatever, I did pretty good for my first time doing my whole entire face. Yeah, I really like it, and it looks pretty good for a fall type look. And for my outfit, I'm just gonna start a clip of my outfit, and I just basically have on a spaghetti V neck type olive green shirt from Aeropostale, and I just have on these ripped shorts from Rue 21. Then I have on my checkerboard Vans. If you guys stayed to the end of this video, it was clearly something that you liked about me or something in this video, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, then probably you should subscribe to this channel if you stayed this far, and click the bell so you're notified for when I post more videos. And if you like this video and you want to see more Get Ready With Me's from me, then click the like button and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. That piece of hair was really bothering me, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh.